much. And that's a way to really exercise. It's a very beautiful spiritual exercise. Fasting and abstinence are very good spiritual exercises that will discipline us. You see, we speak also of discipline in our spiritual life. And fasting and abstinence are the best ways wherein we could discipline our spiritual life. So abstinence is we refrain from the things we love so much. And you see, when we say abstain, the church is saying abstain from meat. Because these are things that we usually like to eat, and therefore, let's abstain from that. Every Friday, and also during Ash Wednesday and Good Friday. Who will do this? 14 years old and above. Who are the 14 years old here now? Raise your hands. Maybe second year. There are some first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Students will do the fast, will do the abstinence. Abstain. It's a way to spiritually discipline yourself so that we can, when this celebration of Lent, we are looking forward to the resurrection of the Lord, the glorious resurrection of the Lord, the celebration of the Paschal mystery of Jesus. And that is when we say Paschal mystery, the suffering, the death, and the resurrection of Jesus. And the Lenten season is a time to spiritually prepare ourselves to celebrate the Paschal mystery, which is at the center of our Christian life. The suffering, the death, and especially the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. So you see, my dear friends, that during this season of Lent, and especially today, we are reminded, the church has a beautiful program. And this program is a program that we have been following already for many, many years. And this is a tested program in the church for our spiritual life. And it is even written in the scriptures, the gospel that I have read today. And the 3 parts of that program that we have to follow are this. First, prayer. It's written there, pray. This is